Hi, for chapter 14, I wanted to talk more about social media and what you can do to help organize social media for a company. One of the things I found that is very useful is doing a monthly planning calendar, which is right here. You can color code for different things that you want to do. They don't necessarily have to be by holiday or campaign or ebook or anything like that. You can do color coding for your different social media sites, for example. I have one for Facebook and Twitter actually on my computer at work. You can then do campaigns for weeks, months, year, however long you want to do it for. So for example, on here, here's an example of the monthly calendar. So you can see that it's each day during the week. And then you also have your key, which you can change that around to better fit your client's needs. You can have a separate thing for social media. For example, this one would be for Twitter. So you can say the date, the time you want to post, what message you want to post, links, the different campaigns you want to do, and your character counts even. And you can also link it to images. And then you can do the same thing for Facebook, which is really handy, especially if you don't already have the Hootsuite account. Or you can definitely tie this in with Hootsuite and be doing both, where you set up the various campaigns you want to do on your social media content calendar, and then you can then upload that to Hootsuite so that it programs your posts for you, and you're not sitting there day after day wondering what you want to post or if it fits with your campaign or not. Now, the other thing I wanted to show was yes, there we are. For Saddle Tree social media, we are on Facebook, of course. We're doing fairly well. We have 406 likes, 3 visits. We have a 4.3 star rating. The thing I don't like with Facebook is that you can't get rid of negative reviews. So, for example, for us, the 1-star review, you actually, let me pull it up here. There's no comments or anything as to why she gave us the 1 star, so most people just tend to ignore that unless they actually have reasons. Another thing we do is we, of course, do Twitter. So let me pull up, some of our various tweets. We retweet tweets to show that we're involved with the community. One of the things I like to do is retweet stories as well to better help our clients. One of the things I've actually implemented is doing birthday posts for our employees. I just think it better shows that we're connected and care about each other. And then when we do pictures, I also do hashtags. So for example, for this is a laundry room. And I was saying how it's a unique laundry room because it has extra space, so I did a hashtag laundry room. And then we, of course, have Instagram, so we have our various pictures. Like here's a picture of a master bedroom we did. And then I did a caption for how do you like the decorative ledge detail, which is this part right up here. And then I asked a question, and then I did hashtags for the company, what I'm talking about in the picture. This is our floor plan, and then what room this is. Now, the main social networking site that we use is called Houzz, and I like to describe it as Pinterest for home builders. So we have our various homes uploaded. So I mean, here's an example of one of our style homes. It's called the Debec. And this, because we do, of course, floor plans on different streets, I also include the street name. So this was the Debec on Turnbull. One of the things we also do on here is this is a work in progress. Please keep in mind, it's about a 6-month-long process. I've only been in it for about a month and a half. So we do keywords to describe the rooms. That way people could search specifically for that. It shows what country you want to be in, the state, the city, postal code, and then after I finish all the keywords for our 790 pictures, I will then go back and write formal descriptions, and then I will also go back and do the style of the room. Like this room, for example, would be considered contemporary. And yeah, that's what I have for this. Sorry, I think I went a little bit over the time, but this is how we use tags in our social media, and also how great social media content calendars would be for Saddle Tree, especially as we implement new social media campaigns. Thank you.